we're down here on the basement build once again, and I'm working on getting the kitchen completed. We've got the 2x4 surround cut out, and we got the sink, we got the dishwasher and stove in, and then I'm going to mock up this support and beauty plate. And this is pretty much where everything's going to go. I think it lined up really well with the microwave and stove. And then the dishwasher, I've already measured for the sink. So I cut some pilot holes here. What I did was I measured the outside with tape, and then on the inside with tape, and this is basically the same measurement as the bottom of that sink. So give or take a little, and then the lip will go on the outside. So the holes, pilot holes, are basically directed to here. So I'm going to show you.
All right, so we're getting to the point of where we're cutting the hole out here, and I use this jigsaw. It worked amazing. You know, just take your time. It cuts the wood really nice. Again, this is just your basic plywood press sheet with a really awesome design. Has a little bit of texturing on the top. So yeah, I wasn't going to use the router because the router scared me a little bit. Shook. I mean, it's just crazy. So, but got this piece cut out. Used the Sawzall to trim it up, and then I just wanted the sink to really fit tight, so I just went around and cut the pieces off that I needed. Didn't need to look pretty or anything. The tape kept the countertop from cracking or chipping off. So, and that was a cool little hint that I got. So I hope you guys enjoy, and enjoy the rest of the video. Yeah, and so at this point I just pull all the tape off and fit. Yep, so like I was saying, I pulled the tape off and fit the sink in there, kind of clean all the sawdust off, and get ready for the next fitting. So,
well, we got the sink in. Well, I got the sink in. Cut it out, and it fits great. Oh yeah, big old farm sink. And then I'm gonna be installing this puppy right now.
alright, so now we're to a point of installing the faucet, which is really cool. I was really worried it was going to hit the bottom of these tall cabinets, but it worked out really good. So what I did was I just, again, traced the hole.
I just got the hole drilled for the faucet for the kitchen. I think that's going to work out really well. Got it on dead center there. Oh yeah, look at this puppy. I'll go ahead and tighten it down, and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. That's going to be our sink setup. All right, here we are. I went through and flush mounted everything, and it just fell right into place. No cracks, no issues on the surface here. Looks super. And there'll be a seal around it. Oh yeah, that's amazing.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's a short one, and like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.